There are some major challenges while implementing 5S. For example, one of the major challenge can be resistance to change from the employees. Right? Generally, whenever we introduce a new system, people tend to resist it. And how will we make sure that the employees embrace or accept these changes? So that is one thing which we generally see as a big challenge for 5S implementation. And other one can be the top management commitment. See, when we start the project, generally there will be a lot of commitment from the top management, but over a period of time the top management may sometimes focus on some other points which are very critical for the business at that time. So 5S may take a back seat. So in that case, what happens? There is a slow loss of energy for the 5S implementation. So these are all some of the common challenges. But how do we overcome this? How to create and maintain the energy levels for the employees for 5S implementation? So that's what we have tried to address in this particular video. I'm going to list down 10 points which you can follow to create and sustain the enthusiasm for 5S in your company. Come, let's get started. Hi there, this is Anand, your trusted lean manufacturing implementation partner. And in this video, we are going to talk about 10 points to create and sustain energy and enthusiasm for 5S in your company. Before we start, I also want to tell you that there's a question at the end of this video, and one lucky winner who is giving the right answer early. Right, the first person to give the right answer will also get a mention in the next video. Make sure that you watch the video fully and answer that question in the comment section. Okay, the first point which we want to cover in this video is the 5S posters. 5S posters are available in the internet, right? You can buy it from agencies like National Productivity Council, Safety Council, right? There are a lot of third party vendors who are having the posters. So you can just make a Google search. There will be a lot of vendors who can make the posters in regional languages also. For example, if you need the posters in Hindi or English or Tamil, Telugu, right? In your area, there may be vendors who can design these posters and give it to you. In case you want some support, please let us know. We will be able to guide you on that. Main reason why we are saying the 5S posters as number one here is to create a visual appeal or visual training. Right? When we create a lot of posters about 5S, right, over a period of time, people get accustomed to the 5S idea and they start following this 5S. So 5S posters can create a lot of energy, enthusiasm among the employees. Right? So this is number one. Second one is 5S slogans. We can create a contest where we'll ask the employees to create a slogan related to 5S in their local languages, right? And then we will select the best slogans. And what we can do is we can print those slogans along with their photographs and display it in their workplace. So this gives a pride, right, for the employees. Right? When they see their slogan along with their photographs in their workplaces, they obviously their motivation, their responsibility, their accountability will increase, right? So they will be even more attached to the 5S following. So this can be a very interesting activity. The third one is 5S badges and clips. When we implement 5S, we form the core teams with task team, audit teams, documentation teams, training teams. Then we obviously have champion, deputy champion. In the zones also, we have zone captains, vice captains. To give them a small identity, what we can do is we can create some caps or some badges, some visual difference compared to the other employees, so that they wear these things with pride. Right? When we give a lot of this caps and badges, people obviously they have a lot of pride in wearing that, and other people will start asking this, right? How do I get the badge? How do I get the cap? So you can bring them to the core activities, and obviously their involvement will increase. So this is the third one, 5S badges and caps. The fourth point is 5S information sharing board. Yes, this 5S information sharing board, many companies they have when they do the 5S activity. We look at it in two different ways. The one is a centralized 5S information sharing board, which is kept near the reception or the place where, the entrance of the workshop, the workplace. That is one, with a lot of this posters, before after pictures, the overall leaderboards, etc. But we also want to have one small board related to 5S in each zone, with the zone member list, best before and after pictures, then the SOPs, right? Fiverr score of that particular area, what are the concern points or unfinished activities related to Fiverr. So all these things can be listed in the zone boards, right? So this can be a very interesting activity, and if you make one person responsible for that updation in that board, obviously their responsibility or their enthusiasm will increase. That is the fourth point, that is Fiverr's information board. Then the fifth one is creating a Fiverr's week celebration, right? We can create one particular week once in 6 months or once in a quarter, right? And in that week we will give more emphasis for Fiverr's. During that week you can do a lot of these programs, Fiverr's related games or awareness programs, some quizzes, some fun activities, so that the people's interest will increase. So this is the fifth point, Fiverr's week celebration. And the sixth one is we can also create a contest where we ask the employees to implement 1 or 2 years activity in their homes, right? And they will share the before after pictures. So this is actually we tried this in one of our clients and we found a lot of success. So the employees went back to their homes, they cleaned their cupboards and wardrobes, a lot of unwanted old materials, old cloths. They removed those things and then arranged the clothes based on the color, size, and all. Right, so it was very interesting. In one company, they created a living room, right? The TV cabinet. They cleared a lot of things and arranged a lot of toys, and they also put labels. People do this in the kitchens, so they shared a lot of pictures. So this Fiverr's in home will generate a lot of interest, right? And it actually creates that enthusiasm. We can also do Fiverr study tours. This is the seventh point, Fiverr study tours. What we can do is, as a team, we can visit other units where they have done a good Fiverr's implementation, right? Most of the manufacturing companies, they are all part of some associations, right? It can be CAI or FICCI or Indian Chamber of Commerce, something, right? Most of the companies, they will be a part of some association. So as a group, you can go and visit a particular company in your area or even outside the city. Some agencies, they are arranged for Japan tours, China tours, like that, right? So they can go and see the best practices. So this can be done, the Fiverr study tours. And then the eighth point is Fiverr's model workplaces. In your company, you can create a pilot or a model area where all the Fiverr's concepts are implemented and it is shown visually. Maybe you can allocate a person there who can train others, whoever is visiting that zone, right? He or she can show the implementation and educate the other person. So we can create a Fiverr's model workplace in your company. And the ninth one is Fiverr's contests and games. The Fiverr's can be implemented in the form of a game, right? This is what we are practicing. The entire Fiverr's activities we broken down into smaller pieces, and every week we give a specific activity, and this activity is being monitored, and then there is a scoring, and we also publish the leaderboard. So obviously it becomes like a game, and there is also a reward in every milestone, right? So it becomes a game and people, they playing this game and it increases the enthusiasm. So Fiverr's as a game or a contest, that is a very interesting way to keep up the enthusiasm in the team members. And the last one is rewards and recognitions. When we implement Fiverr's, we generally we add this reward and recognition as a part of the thing. But I have mentioned this specifically because many companies, when they start the Fiverr's activity, they start giving the awards, but after some time they don't do this, right? We have to have a clear timeline. Maybe it can be every month or every milestone, crossing that 1 year to 2 years, from 2 years to 3 years, like that. We can have it based on milestone, or it can be based on a clear scoring methodology, right? Whenever a team wins more than 80%, you will give us a reward, like that, right? So but the idea is, these rewards and recognitions, the appreciations, will create a positive motivation for the employees to sustain this initiative, right? Because we all love appreciation, right? When somebody appreciates us, we love that. It's always this Fiverr's reward and recognition system is a very important thing to follow in the company. So these are the 10 points which you can follow to create and sustain the enthusiasm in your company for Fiverr's implementation. If you are in your company, you are following a system which is not covered in these 10 points, please share it with us in the comment section. And thank you very much for watching this video. You can share this video to your team members, your colleagues in your company, right? For the last week quiz, the winner is Mr. Dinesh from Coimbatore. So he has given the answer, the right answer. So thank you, Dinesh, for participation, and keep watching our videos. And if you are interested in training your employees on lean or 5S activities, our supervisor development course will help. It's a free course, right? It's a 7-day program where people can sign up and they can take the courses immediately. No need for credit card or any other financial information, right? At the end, they will also get a certificate. If you are a HR watching this video, please share it with your production employees so that they can take this course. The link is in the description. Thank you very much for watching. And the quiz for this video is, what is the seventh point I have shared, right? In this video I have shared 10 points. What is the seventh point in this video which I have shared? Please write in the comment section and you will get featured in the next video. Thank you very much for watching this video. I'll talk to you in the next one. See you. Bye bye.